Yo guys, what is up? Welcome to the State of Crypto, your one-stop source for all crypto-related news and technical analysis. I'm your host Martin, and this is episode 345. Technical analysis, crypto, and stocks. Now, if you're catching this from live, welcome. And if you're catching the replay and have any suggestions for us, please leave us a comment below. We really want to know what you're thinking. Also, if you want to be up to date with the latest crypto-related news, make sure you subscribe, hit that like button and that bell so you're notified when we go live. And if you want to keep on chatting with us once the stream is done, you can join us on the Discord. Links in the description, guys. There's a link to amazing articles that we'll cover here. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for joining us tonight earlier. Getting feedback. One second. Feedback. There we go. Awesome. We killed the feedback. Jake, thank you for being here, man. Thank you for being an awesome supporter of this channel. I came an hour earlier today, mainly because I want to see if I can switch the stream back to the regular time that we had. That was at 9 p.m. Central, 10 p.m. Eastern. Mainly because the streams have been dragging a little bit more with interaction from you guys, which is awesome, right? Having you guys here and chatting with me. But yesterday we did end up like around midnight, or around past midnight for me. And if I want to do a 3-hour show, which I can, I just don't want to be going to bed like 1 in the morning, 2 in the morning, then have to wake up early the next day. So I'm going to try to do this, and I'm also going to see if tomorrow I can squeeze an earlier stream around 5 p.m. Maybe do it twice a day, try to see if I can get in a roll twice a day while I'm still working from home. See how that works. I mean, I'm still trying to grow the channel, so I'm trying to put more hours in, or at least try to bring you content of quality that you guys can enjoy. With that said, I'm going to move on and start looking at the technicals, right? Because why not? Let's look at the technicals. Anyways, if you guys are getting here late and you didn't have a chance to go over the stuff we already covered, it's no biggie. We're going to redo them, and that's going to be fine. Yeah, on that note, before I start, Jake, check this out, bro. I know you like succulents. I'm going to place this one on this little Altoid scan. I'm still trying to figure out how they're going to be set up, but they got pretty tight once they're here. Again, Altoid's Garden, right? I have like another one that has a cactus, a small cacti. They're looking pretty dope as well. So, yeah, good stuff, man. Good succulent small gardens, right? Let's get the show on the roll, man. I'm not sure how many people are tuned in, but thank you all for being here, man. Yeah, bro. I don't think I've shown you the other one, right? The other one I have. Just that one of the cacti is not really rooting well yet, but check this one out, bro. This one looks really tight as well, right? So yeah, it's pretty cool, man. Who knew, right? Altoid seed can make really good small containers for succulents, right? Find a nice petal for the days from someone's succulent. You took it home and you're gonna grow it. All right, that's awesome, bro. I bought mine. They were really cheap, dude. They were like less than $1, like 75 cents. The two tiny ones that I have, and then I did that whole growing thing, and I think you remember this one's the first one I shown, right? It has those like little succulents growing here from other plants that I had, and then this tiny one here as well. Still trying to see how they're gonna fit in this small container, but you know, at least it gives me my area a nice green space. I have them where the light is right now, but throughout the day I have them here and here, and they do bring some life into the office, at least, right? The small office space that I have. On that note, yeah, have a huge one in clones from it. That's awesome, bro. So we're gonna change the track and we're gonna start with this, right? Let's get on to the technicals, right? Crypto market cap. Again, just chatting with Jake because he's the only one here so far. Again, we're starting earlier than usual, so a lot of you are gonna ask, when do we start? Well, we started earlier. All of you watching on Periscope, thank you for joining me. Again, I'm really watching the Periscope chat. I'm watching this main chat that I have here. So if you comment something, it'll come out through the main chat. If you don't, then I'm not sure who's watching, but thank you for being here. You're amazing. What's happening on market cap? Well, we're getting this movement to the downside. We called it, right? We're getting a bounce, rejecting the 382. We threw fibs out yesterday. I don't remember if by the time we threw the fibs, we had this already, because I think this developed today. So if we go to the 4-hour, we're going to get that clue, right? That happened at 7 in the morning, right? That larger wick. So we drew this yesterday. We were confident that we're getting good touch points, right? And look at that. We rejected the 382, moved down right now, moving lower. We might get a retest of that 236. Yesterday, money came into the cryptosphere, $5.33 billion. Today, money going out, $2.24 billion. That is quite a bit of dough, right? One quick second. I'm gonna get need to get the coffee real quick. Just give me one brief second. I'm not gonna be that long. I'm back. Thank you all for waiting for me. And, you know, got the coffee. I told you it was going to be quick. The wife actually came over and brought it over. She knocked on the door. Might have heard that. Right on. So, let's keep on checking this out, right? We're getting that balance rejecting again. Money flowing out of the cryptosphere. All that's great. Sitting neutral on the RSI at 43.82. What's in store for us on crypto? Again, you know, money flowing in, money flowing out does not necessarily impact directly to the prices of crypto. Right, because crypto money can still flow within crypto and go to other projects, not just out. Right, so again, we're gonna see how each project is being affected. So let's go ahead and check out Bitcoin. Right, Bitcoin dominance. What's happening? Yesterday it lost dominance, which is good. Lost 0.61%. Today losing 0.10%, sitting at 60.04% on market cap. With that, the price, for some reason, the music just keeps on stopping. Man, this is annoying. Y'all, 4 people watching, thank you for being here, man. You guys are amazing. I mean, 4 on YouTube, and then 1 on Periscope, 1 on Twitch, and 1 D Live. Let's hope this keeps on playing. Anyways, Bitcoin, right? Losing dominance is great, sitting at 60.04% of market cap. Again, the less market cap it holds, the better the price for Bitcoin usually is. So on that note, I'm gonna check out something else here. Let's go check out price of Bitcoin. Where's Bitcoin at? 10,289.79. We're slightly higher today, and I was really hoping that we're going to go much higher. We did hit that 10,500 area, and then we rejected. But again, managed to open at support, 10,243. Move up. We knew we were probably going to go in for a green day. We talked about that yesterday, which was pretty cool. Right now, we're getting some of that pullback, and probably going to retest that 10,243. I'm worried they're going to break it to the downside again. And that's not what I want to see here, right? I want to see this maybe touch and get a bounce. We're still below that 20. We're not creating anything else besides that bullish divergence that we call it here, which is very tiny. Still move down and try to get a bounce again. Just wait for this to develop a little bit more. Sitting sold at 39.63 on the RSI. So let's go to the 1 hour chart, the 4 hour chart. On the 4 hour, right? Getting that bearish divergence, price action to the downside. I didn't talk about this one yesterday. That's why it's in orange. I called it. I didn't call it on the Discord either. But also again, the charts when I was off the air today. I just didn't have time to go in here and do this. But you know, I was gonna change this to yellow. That way we know we already talked about it. That's awesome, right? Bearish divergence still developed, right? So we were calling for bearish divergence yesterday. Right, we were live here, right? 7 p.m. on the 9th. Talked about moving down, right? Bearish divergence. We did move down. Held support at 10,243, and from there we took a bounce, which is great. Now, again, we said we didn't have. Did we not draw this yesterday here on Bitcoin? Did like my charts not save again for the 3rd time in a row? Because I'm positive we had charted that already yesterday again. This is getting really annoying with this thing, dude. If I'm just gonna have to keep on hitting save every time, it's gonna be very annoying because it really, I did this yesterday already. So let's keep the ball rolling. Call the bullish divergence, still playing off that. Again, managed to create bearish divergence, strong bearish divergence developing. Potential for price action to the downside. We're moving down, getting close to that 10,243. Let's see, we're gonna test it as support. I hope we hit it as support and we bounce. Here we hit it as very close to it. It's gonna bounce right above the 20 as well. Neutral at 49.22. Let's go to the 1 hour. Right, some of the stuff is here, but then some of the stuff is not saving. That's weird. This line here, I also changed it when I was here live. Sorry, off the air. Right, bearish divergence, strong price action to the downside. We're getting that moving down, breaking below 20, trying to break above, failing, so we might move lower still. Let's see where we're at here, man. Low. Same low, negative, what is this, 1268, 13, slightly more negative. So at least, if anything, we're just diverging a little bit more. So we don't have anything bullish there. We also don't have anything bullish there. Short term, though. Slightly higher. Wow, coffee's super hot. So low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on the other side. Slightly lower still, I guess. 47.13, 46.80. Right now, we would be creating hidden bullish against the RSI. I'd much rather have strong bullish against the MACD, to be honest. But, you know, this works right now. At least we could start to get some stalling around this area. Maybe try to get above that 20 again. Or retest the 20 again as resistance. But I believe we were due for a retest of 10,243, right? So we called the bearish divergence yesterday. We moved down beautifully, touched that 10,243 at 4 in the morning. From there, we took that bounce that created bearish divergence, and since then, we've just been moving down. So again, not magic, right? We're just doing analysis. That's it. Let's go here to the 4-hour real quick. All right. So on that note, let's go to Ethereum. What is happening with Ethereum, dude? So Ethereum, here we do have that divergence. Yay. Y'all, thank you for being here. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Don't be a stranger. Like our channel. Sub to our channel. We're cool people. We're the cool people. Got bearish divergence, right? Price action down, so we moved down since. We haven't created anything bullish since then. So we're just moving lower, finding support at 319, right? Going higher. You could argue that we do have some bullish if we go from low to high, right? Against the RSI. I don't want to call it against the RSI though. Right, so from here to here. No. It came from the path snap. What am I doing, man? There we go. Visibility on the daily only. It wants to go nowhere. Right, from there to there, and then from here to here, right? I don't want to do this one again. Right, that's hidden bullish, although we could. I'd much rather ignore this one and said we're taking a bounce out of the 319. Mainly because it gets the chart to clutter, and I'm not sure if this is really what's helping us to rally. We could leave it again. I probably overlooked it before because I was concentrated on the bullish divergence that we were making from here. But again, right? From here to here, I didn't draw it to this island because we did have this 2 days of positive momentum, right? So I'm not gonna call it there. Anyways, let's go to the 4-hour. What's happening on the 4-hour? Again, off the arrows, doing some charting. So we have these little things here on other color, mainly yellow or orange. So we're gonna turn them yellow real quick. That way we know we're talking about this right now. Yay! Bearish divergence, action to downside. We're moving down, managing to hold on to at 364, right? Magic, slightly below it actually, but you know, managing to hold on to this area again. Right now, sitting at 363.26 on Ethereum. Neutral at 53.30 on the RSI, which is okay. Again, bullish divergence. We got the rally, bearish divergence. We're getting the movement down. Let's hope we can hold on to this area again. Expansion of the boundary bands to the upside, which is good. Potential movement down. Would see if we break below this area that we have here support, right? 364.03. We're slightly above it right now. If we move down, we have the 20 to look forward to. That's sitting at 352.38 right now. Like I said, neutral on the RSI. So let's go to the 1 hour. Where are we at on the 1 hour chart? We're looking for this bearish divergence, which I'm not sure we still have towards the end. So 170, 187, right? We kind of got rid of it. We're getting it, so we knew we were going to get it moving down on the hour prior, right? The 10 p.m. candle. So I'll just leave it to where they were, right? So there and there. So we're looking for that bearish divergence. Even though we did kind of kill it towards the end, right? We knew we were expecting a movement down, which we did get. Hit that 20. Sorry, not that 20. Hit that 364 area of support, and then from here to here, right? We're going to call this one because I didn't go here on the 1 hour before this. So we'll go here on the 1 hour chart. There we go. Awesome. And on that note, we're creating this strong bearish divergence against the MACD and also against the RSI, right? So again, we kind of killed this one that we were looking at. So there we go. We'll get rid of that. Anyways, strong bearish divergence, action to the downside, hitting this area again of support. Try to rally, failing, moving slightly lower. Now low, lower low, negative, more negative. Right now we're slightly higher. Are we creating bearish divergence? 50, 62, 50, 45 against the RSI? We would be making that bearish divergence, right? Look at that move, right? From there to there. And then from here to here, right? So again, Lean for that, right? Hidden bullish, potential for action to the upside, right? For some reason, I think I said bearish the first time. It is bullish. It's in the bottom part. Just, anyways. Do we have it here? No, we don't have it here, right? We're going in. So again, if this drops lower, we're probably going to create strong bullish against the MACD, which would be more of what I want to see than hidden bullish, which is what we have right now. But that's it for Ethereum. Let's go to XRP, man. XRP at 24 cents, 24.16 cents. What's XRP doing, man? Really, again, underperforming, right? We had the hidden bullish, price action to the upside, getting above, trying to get above 24.629, and we're failing. So we're getting rejection there again. That would lead us probably to move slightly lower. I don't want to see that movement happening on XRP. Sitting at 40.46 on the RSI, which makes it neutral. That movement down could potentially see us head towards the 22 cent area, right? 22.605 would be a potential target if we move down. On the 4 hour, we had this bullish, which was great. Here we were going higher, more positive momentum, right? That's awesome. 180, 176, right? So from here to here, we have a bearish divergence. I'm not going to call it right now. But if you wanted to look for it, we'll be going from here, sideways here, and then you'll be going from a high point to a slightly lower point. But they're both looking like equal signs, right? If we were to like chart them the way we're supposed to do it. So that's why I'm not going to call it, right? They're very, very tiny. The difference is very tiny, but we have that bearish divergence, and we also happen to be rejecting at a resistance area, 24.629, right? So on that note, there's really not a lot going on here. We're going to go check it out on the 1 hour. Sitting at 49.41 on the RSI. What is happening here, right? On XRP. Had the bearish, we moved down. We didn't create anything from here to here. We're going higher, less negative momentum, higher on the RSI. We talked about that yesterday. Now here we're coming higher, right? And more positive momentum, higher on the RSI. All things are good. Now from here to here, right? We got that movement down, hitting the 20, finding support, taking a bounce. And on that bounce, we are now finally creating some bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence. Look at that, right? Positive momentum, less positive momentum, high on the RSI, lower on that RSI. With that, we're looking for potential action to the downside. We move down, we try to hold on to 20 once, twice, failed, and then we move lower. Now, the other thing about XRP, I could say maybe, there is a maybe, dude. Let's check this out. Where did we open this? 24.176, and we close at 24.171. It's still slightly less. But if you didn't want to do that, you just say sideways motion on the price. And then we're coming in here lower, right? In that note, we would be creating bearish divergence. If you wanted to consider the first one that we called, we would be making medium bearish divergence. And if you want to consider that we're technically going lower, right, not just sideways, we will be making strong bullish divergence. I just said bearish again. What's wrong with me? Why am I calling bearish divergence on the bottom part? Anyways, there we go. We had medium bullish divergence, potential price action to the upside, because we're going sideways in the price and downwards, upwards on the oscillator. But if we don't want to consider that, and we really want to consider that we're technically going slightly lower on the price, then we would have strong bullish divergence and potential for price action to the upside. For some reason, I'm just calling them off today. Dude, my head's here, but my mind and my mouth are not connected the same way right now. I feel like Jackie Chan in the Rush Hour. Do you understand the words that are coming out of my mouth? No, no one understands the words that are coming out of your mouth. Alright, that's just how it feels today, man. Like, my mind is disconnected from my mouth. I think one thing, and I speak another one. It's just weird. Sitting low at 44.77, but neutral on that RSI, which is fine. Again, we could be expecting movement up. Again, this could still come down, right? Slightly more, and we could still have that strong bullish divergence. Except if this drops below whatever this is, right? This is 0.0060, and this is 0.0046, right? So if this manages to drop, make more negative momentum, that 0.00060, then, and this is still going lower, then we don't have that bullish divergence that we're looking for. Right now we have it. Just acknowledging it where it's at. Let's see if it manages to hold on and manages to pump us to the upside. That note, let's go to the daily. What is happening on the daily, bro? On Litecoin. Litecoin, not a lot, right? Move down again. Everything's good. In that nice sideways motion here. I'm pretty sure if I had that other indicator, I'm gonna be calling for that hidden bullish there, right? Again, I'm a little bit reserved on the hidden bullish against the RSI, particularly because of the time frame that we're considering, right? And because the RSI is based on a 14 candle time frame. So based on that, we're going well over 14 candles, right? So it really invalidates a lot. It could become an invalid pattern, although we do have it, right? Going from the previous low, right, to new low, low to low, right? So in that motion, again, we could be creating that hidden bullish potential action to the upside, or at least stalling, which is what we're getting. Sitting sold at 38.55, so let's go to the 4 hour. Wow. Right, we call bearish divergence strong price action to the downside. We move down, hit that 20, and we're trying to hold on to it for dear life. I'm not sure if we were going to break below it, but I think we already wicked it went against, right? So yeah, very close to it. Tightness of the Bollinger Bands is there, so we could be getting an explosive move happening on account that, you know, volatility has left the market. And with that volatility leaves, we do get wild swings when volume picks up again, right? Look at the volume is decreasing, right? So tightness is happening. Then poof, we're going to explode somewhere. Sitting neutral right now at 47.87 on the RSI. Nothing else happening here. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. 1 hour, right? We had bearish divergence, action to downside. We took a bounce, try to get there. Do we go slightly higher? Very, very slightly, right? I can see that slightly higher than that. So on that note, we are creating bearish divergence. Yay for bearish divergence. That's breaking us down, right? Just make sure, again, it's going to be on the 1 hour chart. On the 1 hour, there we go. We go from here to here, right? Bearish divergence, and then we also have it here. So strong bearish divergence. Potential for price action to the downside. And on that note, we end up moving down, losing the 20, trying to regain it, failing, and moving lower. Now, we are creating that strong bullish divergence here. 8, 6, right? So I'm looking at 0.08, 0.06 negative. So negative momentum, less negative momentum right now as we're coming in lower, right, on that price action. So again, with strong bullish divergence, we could be looking for a potential for a price rally to happen. Maybe a retest of the 20 wouldn't be weird. The 20 sitting at $48.55 again. Price of Litecoin at $48.21. So it's not that far off. It's a couple cents off. Wouldn't be weird if we like got there, touched it, maybe try to test it as resistance, maybe get above it and take a bounce. For a reject, we could be looking for lower prices. Neutral at 45.20 on the RSI. If you guys have any requests, let me know. Let me know if you guys have any requests on the chat, and we'll look at the coins that you request live. So again, if you're watching live, thank you for being here, and if you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub, right? Thank you for joining us tonight again and being awesome supporters of this community. With that, let's go check out Binance. Where's Binance sitting at? $23.41. What? Yeah, we're creating bearish divergence, right? We called it yesterday. Hidden bearish action to the downside. Look, we even recovered a little bit more. There we go. Yay, we moved down, right? We had an indecision day yesterday, looking like a little bit like a spinning top. The upper wick of the candle, it's actually a little bit larger than I would like to see this, but you know, it is fine. Moving down again on the bearish divergence. Neutral at 52.89 on that RSI. So let's go to the 4 hour. Again, we were warned yesterday that we could move down on a couple of these coins, and we are. So what are we doing here, right? We were tracking for divergence. We still created by 3 in the morning, right? So we'll be going there. Still one island. We're going there. We don't have it against the RSI. That's great. And on that divergence that we're creating, right? That strong bearish, we're moving down right now, breaking that 20 against breaking that 20 on the 4 hour chart. So yeah, starting to make negative momentum. That's great. Neutral on their side, 49.62. Again, Binance was one of those coins that was recovering very well, right? It was recovering extremely nice. Getting like a warning here. What the hell? Keyframe interval 8. Recommended 2. Is that the same warning that I'm getting over here on YouTube? Oh, I'm not sure, man. Keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Yeah, so I'm having a frequency issue. I'm gonna have to like write that down because I'm gonna have to fix it post stream. And So I'm not sure if that's causing me to have like drop frames or something. I hope not. But we'll figure it out, right? Binance deleted from Binance Uganda due to low volume. Is that for real, dude? I didn't see that one. Do you have an article for that, or just like messing around with me? Like they delisted their own coin, but like you should be using Binance Coin, right? Because you get benefits from using Binance Coin. Jake, do you have an article for that? I wouldn't mind opening that and checking it out, dude. Frames good here, yeah, dude. But like, it gives me like this little warning here, right? It says like, please use a keyframe frequency of 4 seconds or less. Currently, keyframes are not being sent often enough, which causes buffering. The current keyframe frequency is 8.4. Now that ingestion errors can cause incorrect group of picture size. And I'm getting that same error here, right? It says, check your encoder settings, keyframe interval 8, recommended 2. Now, I'm sure I already fixed that a couple times here on this thing. So, it's not letting me fix it right now because I'm live. It's just, for some reason, it just keeps on changing, dude. Itself. So I saved it to like 4. 100% really fine and posting it. Yeah, sure, man. Send it on the Discord. I wouldn't mind looking at it. I think you already sent it, so I'm going to check it out. Oh, shit. It actually came out on Cointelegraph. Snap, dude. Feel bad for the Binance team. Getting their own coin delisted from their own exchange. Yeah, you have privilege. You can post it here. Binance Crypto Exchange released its own token on Uganda platform. Wow. So they're just delisting it for trading against the Uganda shilling, right? So they probably still have it for their coins. Decided to delist and cease trading on all trading pairs. Oh no, wait, on all trading pairs for Binance native token. Wow. Officially removed on Binance September 17, while the Binance deposits will be terminated on September 10th. Wow. Information about the reason behind delisting only stating that Binance Uganda trading pair apparently did not meet the exchange's trading standard. The pair did not have sufficient trading volume and liquidity. Alright, barely reviewed trading volume and liquidity. Maybe people are not using it because it's traceable by government, right? Maybe they don't trust what they're doing. That is awkward, dude. Imagine delisting your own token. That sucks. Did that one just come out? How many hours ago did it come out? It's not telling the time. It just says this today. Or actually, yesterday. No, today. Yesterday. Yesterday's article. So I'm not sure if that's impacting the price right now. Right, so we have the bearish. Maybe it's impacting it from yesterday. Or we had bearish divergence also. So we're moving down on that. Breaking below at 20. Neutral at 50.49 on the RSI. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. Right, we're still managing to go higher, and we're still coming 598, 557. So from here to here, we're still going higher. Unbelievable, and we're still coming lower. Oh my god! Oh my god! There we go. Right, bearish divergence, strong price action to downside. Finally broke after 1, 2, 3. Right. So we had nothing against the RSI. Sitting sold right now at 35.62 on that insane move to downside. Sultry, how's it going, dude? I bet you got a trade share bombed about that. All 5 of them. Traders there. Yeah, dude. Maybe. Bro, I didn't know you were watching, dude. Thanks for being here, man. I started earlier than usual, but thanks for being here. I think you were just quiet, or maybe the stream hadn't picked you up for some reason. I'm not sure. It's just 5 people watching, but yeah. Thank you for being here, man. Much appreciated. Dude, I know you have some requests for coins, so let me know. So I can start programming them, right? Yes, in like a day or 2 ago. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Anyways, taking a small dive, right? And that's been going on since 8 in the morning today. So almost 12 hours of dumping for Binance, right? Yesterday was sitting very comfortable around 25.50, right? Somewhere around that area. And right now it's sitting at 23.50, so it lost $1, man. A whole dollar, man. Wow. If you're holding a lot, it's potentially a lot of dough. Let's go check out DVT. It's early, dude. I mean, I started super early too. What? Dude, DVT at 4.5 sats? It's an insanely good area to buy, dude. I'm thinking about adding more here. What the hell's wrong with DVT, man? Just lurking, it's great, bro. It's awesome that you're here, man. I like the fact that you're here. No worries, man. I started early today. This used to be our regular time frame before, a while back. And then I decided to try to spend more time with my family. Because the news, right? I had to prep for the news, so it took me like an hour and a half before the stream, so I could like search through the news, go through everything, decide which articles, read them, summarize them, or at least summarize the parts that I liked about them, and then go on live and then talk about the articles. But right now that I'm not doing the news, I basically can just sit down and jump in and start doing the analysis. So I was checking with my wife and talking about it, and I can start coming earlier and try to do them at 9 again. And then don't matter if we go for 3 hours, because if I go for 3 hours, it's just gonna be midnight. So for me, it's no biggie. I already done streams that are almost 4 hours long. I think I have one at least that is almost 4 hours long. For me, it's not that big a deal. That big of a deal. Someone dumped a lot. You're sending another 0.01 to buy orders. Wow, you're gonna buy a lot. You're gonna buy like about $100 worth of DVT. The spread is amazing, dude. Look at that spread. You can buy, if you can buy at 5.6, 4.6 and sell at 5.8, that is over a whole 1.2 to the upside, right? That is a good percentage to go up, right? So from 4, 10% would be 0.4. So from there you would go to 5. And another 0.4, right, would get you to 5.4, and then another 0.4 would get you to 5.8. So you could be going up almost 30% to the next stop, right? So we'll go from here. I'll just take a measure from here to 5.8, right? That's what we're calling it. So you're talking about a 30, almost 28% increase, right? Because of the fraction. But yeah, a 28% increase, right? So it's good, man. If you can get in at 4.5 and take profit at 5.6, that would be so good, right? Again, this is one of those projects that allows for these small movements, right? Let's get the indicators out here. Let's get the RSI. Let's get the MACD. It's just this MACD. MACD. Let's get the MACD out here. MACD. McDonald's index, right? That's what we're looking at. By the way, it's really not called McDonald's index. If you do trading, you know it's a moving average convergence divergence. But I just call it McDonald's index because it sounds like MACD, right? MACD. So, MACD. Yeah, McDonald's. It's a stupid joke. But I like it, so I don't care. One higher, more positive momentum. Here we went sideways, right? Dude, we did have something for bearishness here, right? Look at that movement. Sideways here. Look at that awesome sideways motion that we got here on the price, around 6.1, right? Look at that, right? Going, at least from here to here, right? And then from here to here, we also had it. There we go from here to here. Bearish divergence, strong once. And then medium bearish divergence, right? And we also have it here against the MACD, right? The RSI and the MACD. And with that, we're getting that movement down. We don't have anything on the 1 hour because we're making more negative momentum. Do we have something here? Yeah, we do have something against the RSI. Luckily enough, from here to here, right? And from here, we're creating that strong bullish divergence for potential price action to the upside, right? So if it gets filled, yeah, dude, yeah, I know. If you buy it to the upside, well, I mean, since you already stated that you're gonna buy it to the upside, I could come in here and place a huge position to buy. Well, you're gonna buy at market, so you're just gonna run it to the upside, right? If you buy at market, so there's not gonna be any chance that it's gonna get filled. Anyways, I wonder if Gil Torian got into this. He said he wanted to get into it, but I just never confirmed with him whether or not he did. So, on that note, let's keep on charting, right? Let's go to the 4 hour here. And the 4 hour chart is also going lower. Right, so we do have some strong bullish here. Right? From here to here. Then from here to here, right? Yeah, strong bullish divergence. We don't have it against the RSI, unfortunately. Hi. Everything was going on good. Everything here was good, right? Just broke down for him stuff that happened in the 1 hour, right? Potentially someone selling a lot. We do have this strong bullish right now that could bring price action to the upside. And the fact that Jake's probably going to buy some is just going to really make that happen. Let's go on the daily. You look at that, right? On the daily. Creating strong bullish divergence from here to here, from here to here. Strong bullish price action to the upside. 29, 30. Also here going slightly higher, right? Like that. Price action to the upside on strong bullish divergence. That's what we're getting in the indicators. I get paid tomorrow too, so I might buy even more. Wait, was that that type of or was this one of those like evil laughter, right? I'm not sure, dude. I didn't quite grasp it, but you know, I couldn't put that tone to it. Yo. Either. Yeah. How's your How's your StarCraft career coming along, bro? Are you still streaming when you play? Because I'm not getting notifications that you're streaming, so I do want to see you stream someday. Like, be rooting for you in the corner, be like, come on, kick his ass, Jake! Don't send those, like, Marines over there, right? Those Terrans over there. Send someone else. Incoming Zergs. I wish I could do narration for like a game like that, right? Would be cool, man. Like, make it like red versus blue, but with, you know, these things, right? So that's for Binance Coin. Let's go check out RSR, dude. I'm not getting any requests for coins from y'all, so you know, just chilling. Do stream often. And then mostly AI matches. You can stream those, right? Don't matter, dude. Like, I try to stream playing Kakarot. I've only played twice. I really don't get a lot of chance to play. I wish I had more time to play. And also, I decided to come in early because for a lot of you, it gets to be too late by the time I do the regular stream, right? So some of you are like, "Oh, dude, it's late for me. I'm gonna call it night." So I want to be here earlier, try to be here earlier, and that way we can chat more and engage more. Chovy, how's it going, bro? Thanks for being here. Much appreciated. How's life, my friend? How'd it do, man? Let's check out RSR. Why not, right? I know, we're looking for something in RSR here, right? We're looking for some strong or some hidden bullish, which we still have, right? By going there and going there. Yeah, hidden bullish, right? And again, hidden bullish is one of those things that you can keep on tracking. You can still get if you go there, right? And then go there, right? What is this? 127, 120, right? We'll leave it to here and say it played there. And then I'm going to call strong bullish from there to now. So from here to here. And then from here to here, right? Strong bullish. Potential action to the upside. Starting to get that green candle coming in. Yay! Streaming me and NFL? Dude, who's playing? Who's playing and who, like, who's your team? Which team do you root for? Anyways, this is 1 hour. Let's go to daily, dude. Nothing on the daily because, again, no data, right? So let's go to the 4 hour. We had the bearish divergence. We knew we could move down, and we're moving down on that. Losing to 20, not liking that. Again, taking a massive hit on this project. Let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we have bullish. Let's hope we can get that to rally. Chiefs and Texans. We were pulling from Mahomes. All right. Dude. Yeah. That's awesome, bro. I used to follow the NFL a lot a while back, and then I just kind of stopped following sports in general, dude. Like when I was a young kid, you know, watching Michael Jordan play, that was freaking amazing. So I was into basketball a lot. Then I got into football. Then I got into soccer and football. Then I got into soccer, football, and baseball. Then all of a sudden, I just stopped watching everything, dude. Right? Like at some point in time, I stopped watching soccer. Then I stopped watching like baseball. And then I stopped watching football. I was still watching baseball in college. And right now, I rarely watch baseball. And now I don't even watch football, dude. I need to like start getting back into like, you know. It's just I don't have time to like really sit down and enjoy a game, right? With kids, the wife. If I put a game, the wife's gonna start like, you know, like telling me to do stuff because I'm sitting down, I guess. So I really don't get time to play. I really wish I had more time to play. And watch games. You did that for like 5 years when your kids were born? Yeah. No, my youngest kid, my oldest kid is 5. My daughter's 2, so I still have a couple more years to go. So for me right now, it's like time with the family, right? So I just gotta split my time. So it's work, family, and then stream. So no time for football, man. I really wish I could just like sneak a small window here and like be watching the game as I'm like playing here and here. I'm not sure if the stream got stuck. I think I'm still streaming properly. Just for some reason here, it seems as though I got stuck somewhere. I think it's just the restream that's just saying I'm stuck, but I'm really not stuck. Yeah. You're surprised I'm not streaming at 2 a.m.? Huh. The only time you get to yourself. Yeah, the wife actually does make a superb job of helping me out with the kids. And before I used to do the news and used to come at this time, so I used to get home from work, start going through the news, digesting everything real quickly, redoing some of the articles just so I can like have something to talk about, and then jump in here and talk about the articles and news, and then do the analysis. So I didn't get time with the kids, right? And by the time I was done, the kids were already in bed. So we came to this agreement that I would start the stream an hour later, and then I would come from work. I would have like about an hour and a half with the kids, and then get onto the news. And then since I stopped doing the news, like I was doing the stream very late and finishing very late. So she told me like go back to 9, right? You don't have like you already get plenty of time with the kids. It's like 3 hours. That's fine. Just like start at 9, so you're not really going to sleep very late. Because the last couple nights it's just been like going on a little bit later than usual. So yeah, she like basically told me to start streaming earlier again. You know, who understands them, right? I was doing this time, now she wanted later, now she wants it early again. Anyways, women, that's the way it rolls when you're married, right? You don't control your time sometimes. It's just family time. You gotta agree. But anyways, she does help me out a lot, dude. Sometimes she puts the kids to bed. She used to do that before, and now that I was switched times, I get to put them to bed, which is cool. And it's just like a way of splitting the time. Anyways, if you guys want to look at something, let me know. We haven't looked at any projects, so if you want to look at any crypto projects, let me know on here, the chat, and we'll check them out, man. What's going on here on the stream? Let's see. 6 people tuned in. Stream health? 9. Is that stream health? No. That's something else. Playbacks, 9. Whoa, awesome. Yay, 9 playbacks. That means 3 people like came in, watched, and left. Swap to BTC. Right, dude, let's check out Swap. Why not? We haven't looked at Swap. Just writing them down so I know what I already covered here. This is Swap to the BTC. Against Poloniacs, I guess, right? That's the only way it's listed, so. I don't like the way the 1 hour looks. Let's go to the daily. Not a lot of data to begin with, right? So lower, lower, higher, higher. Right. From here to here, right? We had some bearish divergence against the volume. like that. Volume going from there to here, then price going higher, right? Price action to the downside on that. Again, I rarely call divergence against the volume, but when I don't have anything to look at, like this particular point in time, I tend to look at volume, right? It's a good indicator also. You're going higher with less volume, I think you're losing strength, right, to a certain extent. You're gonna break down on that. But here, again, just from here to here, it's very tiny, this one, right? So, we're definitely going slightly lower on that price. And here we're coming in a little bit like that, right? So this would be negative 0.00075, and then this will be 747, right? So again, we have that strong bullish in action to the upside. We hit the 20, rejected, and then we went for it again. Sitting at 0.00009148 sats. So 9,148 sats, right? That's where it's at. Just go to the 4 hour. See, we have something there, man. High. Higher high and higher high. More positive momentum. But now, short term, right? They're shorter term. Let's say a couple of hours here. A couple of 4 hour candles. So from the 7th at 3 p.m. till right now, we're creating strong bearish divergence. Potential for price action to downside. What is this? 64.76, 64. 67, 64, 76, so slightly less. We could also call it here, right? Say that we're creating some divergence there. My alarm was coming off that I should be jumping live. Forgot to change that. Anyways, bearish divergence, action to downside. That's what I'm expecting right now. Looks like we already moved down, try to get pullback. Again, we could try to go higher, right? Negate this. If this manages to go above whatever this is, like 214, right? Like the 0.00 214, I'm just calling the last digits. 214, we would no longer have bearish divergence, and then we would be ignoring this. On that note, I don't think we created anything here, right? So lower, more negative momentum. Let's see here. 33, 33.15, 33.96. So still lower, get more negative momentum. Also lower on that RSI. So yeah, nothing bullish, right? And this not from here to here. Bullish from here right to here as we were coming down, right? Strong bullish here. Like that, right? Did I anchor this in the 4 hour? No, I didn't. You know what? I'm gonna do something real quick. I think I'm not sure if it's easier if I just delete them and redraw them. I think this might be easier than just going in and changing every single one of them, right? There we go, right? Yeah, I think that was easier. So just redo them. Huh. Anyways, we're coming in lower every time, going with less negative momentum right? Within the island. So we're creating strong bullish within the island. We got a rally, but then we still managed to go farther down, right? So, you know, fairness, we could still go from here to here, right? And say, look, man, we're still coming in lower, right? Like that, and we're making less of that negative momentum. And here, we also had that. We didn't have that movement here, but from here to here, we do have it against the RSI, right? Look at that, here to here. Strong bullish action to the upside, right? We did drop a little bit, and then we recovered. We didn't create any divergence to here. At least none that I want to call from here. 32, 33, right? We could call it from this other bottom here. Again, too much data. And we would still have some strong bullish, right, against the RSI. So if we were to go there, and then go like this, right? So from here to here, right? We'd have it against the RSI, and then against the MACD here, I would say, right? Also against the MACD here. Potential action to the upside, we get that rally again, that's about it. Above the 20, which is good. Not a lot of data on the Bollinger Bands. So sitting bought at 63.90. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what's going on there. I like this track. What else is going on here? Let's see. Check this out, man. Let's check this out, bros. Alright, so this point right here is definitely higher. So again, bearish divergence right across the chart. Like that. That's one. So I get this in the 1 hour. Right. That's one. And then we're going from here to here. Don't have it here. Then from here to here, we're going higher again. And then we're coming in from here to here, right? So again, bearish divergence, even from here to here, right? And then we don't have it here, but we do have it in that second part, I guess. 71.85, 70.99. So, yep, from here to here. So, bearish divergence, right? Price action downside. We move down, hit that 20, taking a bounce at the 20, which is a good sign, right? It's a good sign of bullishness, right? And when we talk about bullishness, here we had bullish divergence, right, on the 1 hour. And we've just been running on that bullish divergence since. We don't have it against the RSI. And we created some hidden bullish, I guess we can call this one also from here to here. And from here to here, right? So hidden bullish. And here short term also, right? So from here to here. And from here to here, right? Yeah, hidden bullish, right? So again, hidden bullish, getting us to come in that rally, which is nice. We don't have anything going on right now, right? Low, higher, low, negative, less negative, low on their side, higher on their side. Things are good. Sitting bought at 61.05. So yeah, that's it for swap, bro. Again, not looking too bad, right, at swap. Right now you have the bearishness. It played down. It's trying to get a bounce at 20. Again, the bullish divergence might still come into play and rally this a little bit more. This is going to be key. If we fail to go higher than the previous high that we made, that will be this opening here at 9,270 sats, we could be looking for a movement down again, right? So again, getting above that area, we're probably going to create bearish divergence still, right? Because we're looking at where we're at in the price, right? Very close to that area at 9,148 sats. And we're making very little positive momentum, and we're much lower on our side. So we really need to push a lot and hard for us to negate it here against to negate that bearish divergence, right? So again, on that note, thank you for being here. Thank you for joining me tonight. If you like what we do, hit that like button, that sub, and if you have any requests, let me know on the chat. What else? What else do you guys want to look at? Again, it's a free market, right? You guys can request whatever you want. Again, swap right now going up 7.67%, which is not too bad, right? Again, look at this stock, man. APM today went up 13%. I'm not sure if you guys are in stocks. I am in stocks. Look at that, right? Beautiful. I have it on my watch list, so it was good, right? APM, Kirkland's also went up 6% today, right? So good stuff, man. Good moves today. Right. So I'll talk about this while you guys come up with new coins for me to watch and look at. I feel weird coming in early because a lot of people are not used to me coming earlier than usual. So we've been live for about 56 minutes, and I've already run through usually whatever I do. So I'm gonna start doing gold and silver and the other stuff, so you guys come up with new coins for me to look at, right? Something's going down 10% here. I saw that RDD is going down 10%. So I'm gonna look at silver and gold real quick, and then you know, the rest of the markets, and it'll be fair game for crypto after that. So moving down, rejecting the 20 again, not surprising. Sitting at $26.58 as the price for silver. Not a lot going on after what we called. So let's go here on gold, and we're making that triangle again, rejecting the 20, which is nice. Nothing else being developed here after we called that hidden bullish. Sitting at 1,939, still maintaining above all-time highs, previous all-time highs of 1,122. S&P managed to go down 59 points yesterday. Again, rejecting the 20, right? We were talking about that move happening. Nikkei up 202 points above the 20. Finally got above the 20, which is good. On a nice gap, and then very little movement intraday, right? So this is when we see the gaps, is that we had a lot of post-market movement, which is okay, I guess. Sitting neutral at 54.72 on the RSI. Let's go look at Toronto, down 198 points, right? Again, we had that bullish. We did take a bounce. We didn't even get to 20. We're moving down, pulling back down, right? So that's okay. Let's look at London, 8,990, down 38 points. Moved down, hit that 20, took a bounce. That's great. Gapped up in the opening and then moved down, right? So again, looks like on the day we opened, we were not bullish, and then we came down, hit the 20 and bounced, and we still managed to close red, but at least we didn't go that low, which is okay. Again, we don't have anything after the bearish we called and the hidden bullish, right? So let's go look at the Dow, man. Dow managed to go down 405 points. We did have hidden bullish. Right now we're still going here, more negative momentum, lower on the RSI. All things are good there, really nothing to worry about. We had the bearishness, we moved down, we have hidden bullish, waiting for it to see if that's going to play. Now on the Dow Live, we are going up 117 points, right? So we opened, gapped up a little bit, and we're going up from where we closed. So again, if by the time the market opens, this is still going higher, we're going to open green probably. We're going to gap up on the opening with some points to the upside. If by the time the market opens, this is red or lower, then we're going to open to a red market, right? That's usually how this works. Neutral at 47.56 on the RSI. Again, nothing else happening after that hidden bullish. Yay. Look at NEO. Yeah, I've looked at NEO before. I actually have it open, dude. NEO has been doing very good. I'm not sure how I did today. But it is on my watch list, and it is one of the stocks that I placed, my dad and I placed money in, right? So, yeah, look at that NEO, man. I might have closed it, I think. No, here it is, NEO. There we go. It went down today. 1.93%. Not a lot. But it did take some very nice bounces, right? Again, for those of you that don't know, NEO is an electric car company. So I guess you could say that they're a Chinese electric car company. So they could be what we call the competition of Tesla and Nikola or whatever that other car company is, right? Anyways, we created bearish divergence, right? Taking a bounce on the 20, which is good, right? Look at that, right? Bearish divergence and bearish divergence here. Price action to the downside, that's what we're looking at. But I've been looking at this for a while now, right? Better part of a month. From here we had hidden bullish. Right. Right here, right. Right, hidden bullish. Right, and then from here to here we're fine. We're not doing anything. Now here to here we're also creating bearish divergence. What? Bearish divergence there, right? Look at that. Boom, boom. Right, going higher, less positive momentum, lower on the RSI. Strong bearish action to downside. This could correct a little bit more. I mean, we took a bounce at the 20. The bearish divergence could still drop us farther down. So it wouldn't be weird if NEO came down here. But look at NEO, man. Very nice moves, at least since May 22nd. I've been looking at it since August, right? Somewhere on here. So I got to see this rally happening, which was good. And again, it's been on my list for like to watch. And right now, I think we took some nice profit here. I'm out of this project already, but we took nice profit on NEO. This one I'm also watching, BXRX. And I called this bullish divergence back here when it happened, the days after, and we started to see this move. So we got in here. I think we got somewhere on here. So we took also very nice moves here on Baldax Bio, right? Look at that, taking the bounce above the 20, which is beautiful, man. And 26% gains in a day, dude, right? No, I don't think any crypto did this. 8% and then 26% gains the next day. And beautiful movement here. I haven't charted it, but we're probably creating some kind of bearish. Oh no, we're not creating anything bearish. That's fine. Again, it's back here, right? We're creating bearish divergence. So from here to here, then from here to here, right? Bearish divergence section to downside. That's what we're moving down. Hitting that 20, and it looks like we want to hold on to support there. But yo, stocks doing good, right? Some stocks doing good. Not all stocks. How's Tesla doing today? I think it went down, dude. Tesla, it went up 1.38%. Yay! After like a massive impulse down, right? Look at that freaking drop in Tesla. It went down a hardcore, dude, right? Like went down like 30+%, 34%. Taking a bounce, hitting the 20, rejecting, right? Not what we want to see. Do we have anything bearish? I don't think we had something bearish to here, right? Back when the charts were okay. And then they came in and like pooped them out for us. So 85, 84, right? So that divergence that we had here, that we got that small movement down, that I had charted like way up here, right? That move here. If I just move it down, it'll be there, right? Again, since they shortened our move, we have to go like that. So on that move there, we'll be going for that move there, right? Bearish divergence, action to downside, strong. I'm gonna get rid of all these other lines that I had here on Tesla because now they make no sense, right? So they came in here, they messed around with the chart that we had, and yeah, now it don't look pretty. So there we go. Anyways, creating hidden bullish potential rally. We got a rally rejecting the 20 though. Right, that's a dangerous zone. There's two ways of looking at this. We either gap up tomorrow in the opening, get above that 20, or that rejection leads us to lower price action, and then we drop more on Tesla. But look at the bearishness, right? We gapped up. We actually opened up here, right? We gapped up on the opening, hit that 20 and moved down, and then bounced a little bit. So we pulled back up a little bit, right? That's how we guess that the day went. So we can check it out, right? We gapped up, we rallied a little bit, we dropped, and then we rallied a little bit, right? Like we said, right? So that's how the story goes. It's cool when you can look at the daily and see how the story went. No need to look on the 1 hour chart. But still, it would have been nice gains today, right? If you would have gotten in yesterday, right? Look at those gaps up, 1, 2. If you would have gotten in 2 days ago, right, and gotten out today, at the top, at the 20, you would have gotten 21% gains. Again, very hard to measure those hits, right? But at least you could have taken some very nice gains here. So even from that closing here would be like 17% gains, right? So we would have gotten here, near the bottom, right, on the hopes that it would go up on the bearish divergence, on the bullish divergence, on the hidden bullish. You would have gotten nice price action here on Tesla. 6 people tuning in. Thank you all for watching. Thank you for tuning in. If you like what we do, hit that like, that bell, and that sub. I invite you to please like this channel and subscribe to it. We're awesome here, and the community is freaking amazing. The guys that come in here every night are troopers. They are the best subscribers that anyone could ask for. That's Chovy, that's Andrew, that is Sotri, that is Jake, dude. You know, all you guys are amazing, dude. CNMT when he comes around, Jill Torian when he comes around, right? So again, y'all are awesome, dude. What else you guys want to look at? Let me know on the chat. While you do that, I'm gonna drink some water. Kill the coffee on our State of Crypto blog. Again, I have merch for myself, but not for sale. Isn't that cool? Bitcoin J Rockets, yeah, dude. I like my mug, dude. I like my State of Crypto mug. I think you get a lot of like feedback here on because of the white that I have there. But if I turn this off real quick, you might be able to see it a little bit better right there and there, dude. State of Crypto is a pretty sweet mug, dude. I like it. Again, just merch for myself. I don't think I can even place merch on YouTube. So, and I'm not even sure where I should put like merch. I don't even have that many followers to sell merch. But I did want to have my own like mug for the show, right? The State of Crypto mug. I have 2 actually. One that's blue, and it's the opposite, right? Opposite sides. So here, if I grab this one here, they would say the State of Crypto here, and then here we'll have the small logo, which is really cool. I like the mug. It's good, dude. But it's branding mainly. I also want to get hats that say the State of Crypto up here. But I'm considering this like real estate spot, right? So for the future, if someone wants me to advertise a coin or a project, they can send me a hat. We can come to an agreement in terms, and I could use this as a logo, right? Like a lot of people have, like gamers have on their headsets and their mouse, on their keyboards, right? Like who they're using and who their hardware is from for gaming, etc. This is the only hardware space. This is the only space I have, right? Because I don't use headphones, and I don't show my mouse and keyboard. But you know, this is real space. And then behind me, I could also put something on the wall, right? A poster or something for a project. So that could be also another part of real estate space that I can sell for advertisement, I guess, at some point in time. Whenever I have like millions of followers. One day, dude, I'll be so powerful. People will look at me. Dude, we're like very close to 240 subs. I think we're sitting at 239. I'm like 1 sub away from 240. Yeah, we haven't increased that number. Like tomorrow, I think I'm gonna come in earlier. Also, I'm gonna do 2 streams tomorrow. I think I'm gonna do one at like around 5, and then I'm gonna do the night one also. I'm gonna try to see if I can pick up people earlier, and see if people come in to chill, watch, and whatnot. And if not, at least I'll have some of the technicals looked at by the time we do the night stream. Who knows? It might be a good time to pick up people, right? 5 in the afternoon. So 5 Central, 6 Eastern. And then I think like 3 Pacific. I'm not even sure if people are gonna watch at that time, but you know, whatevs, dude. It's the times that I got to stream. While we do that and wait, we're gonna look at Bitcoin again. Bitcoin at 10,273, man. Again, pulling up above that 10,243. The only thing I don't like about Bitcoin is that we got a lot of pullback yesterday, right? Look at that wick. I would say that it's about the same as the body of the candle, right? The candle was going beautiful, right? From me here, would have been a $141.80 move, right? I'm gonna look at the dollars. So I don't care about the percentage move. I just care about the dollars. I want to see if it's equal or not. So from there, 141, 158, very close, right? So we got a lot of pullback of half of the body of the candle. We don't want to see that. That's bearish, right? That's where we're moving down still today. Some pullback is fine, but if we pull more than half of the body, I don't like it, right? That's again, that's a fight for this area, right? The new zone of comfort that Bitcoin has found around 10,200, right? Which I'd much rather see this again above 11,000, because then everyone's doing great. I think all the projects are going down a little bit, right? Bitcoin almost 0.80% down, Ethereum 1.15, XRP 0.99, so almost 1% down. Litecoin 1.11, Binance 4% down again. Binance taking a massive hit. Yo, what else you guys look at, man? What else do you guys like? Link. You guys dig Link, right? There's some Link diggers over here, so we'll check out Link. See what's going on with that project. For Link Diggers. What's going on there, dude? Let's check this out. At the hidden bullish price action to the upside, that's great. Hidden resistance at the 50%, or the 382, sorry. We talked about that yesterday. We did get above it briefly, but still managed to close within that area. So we're stuck between that 382 and the 50% retrace zones from low to high, or high to low, sorry. Or low to high, that's where we went on this one, right? Yeah, low to high. So we are retracing, trying to get above that 382. Not bad. But again, let's see how this keeps on playing out here. Let's go to the 4 hour. I think we do have some reverse fibs here, right, from high to low here, right? So from high to the local low, which we're calling this local low, we're still rejecting that 382, right? Look at that, beautiful. Hit once, hit twice, hit 3 times, and rejecting, hitting the 20 right now and moving down. We had the bearish divergence to here. Do we have it still by the end of the day? I'm not sure. We'll have to zoom in and check it out, dude. Because we were going higher. We said, look, bearish divergence. Haha, we're going to move down. Yeah, we still had it to here, right? By the time we close, and even here, we can go there, right? And say, look at that, man. Look, man, no hands. Bearish divergence. I'm going to, like, do a front flip and, like, knock out my tip. That's what happened. We're moving down slightly. Seeing that, hitting that 20 right now. At $12.28. Yo, Crypto Pillar, how's it going, bro? All good, man. Thanks for being here. Money, money, money. Yeah, money, 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 dude. We're looking at stocks. We're looking at Link right now, actually, but we were looking at stocks earlier. I came in about an hour earlier today. Because that used to be our regular time frame. And then live came in, and I had to, like, change it. But right now, we're back to our regular time frame, which is good. So I think I'm going to be trying to stream around 9 p.m. Central. And then run until, you know, you guys stop asking for things to look at. So right now, I'm going to take request or redo something. So you want me to look at something else? I will look at it. Something that we looked at before, which is usually the main coins in crypto. The main 5, I would say. But if you want me to look at something else in particular, just write it down and we'll check it out, bro. Yo, Shelby, dude, how's the fires going on, dude? Like, did they seem to have subsided, or are you still getting those, like, really weird... It looks like we're in Mars days over there in, like, San Francisco, right? Whatever that was in Big Hero 6. Anyways, getting that bearish divergence, moving down, hitting that 20, trying to find support there. Let's go to the 1 hour and see what we got there, man. Link. $12.29. It's on sale. Bullish divergence. Strong bullish divergence. Yes, for the bulls. Right, there we go. And, you know, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. Strong bullish divergence, potential for price action to the upside. Someone told me something about the Chicago Bulls logo. That really, I cannot see that logo and look at it the same way ever again. Someone told me, doesn't the Chicago Bulls logo, if you flip it upside down, it looks like a robot is banging something. And then you flip it upside down, dude, and it does look like a robot. It's like banging something. It's just so insane, bro. I was thinking about, I don't know why that came to my mind, but the Chicago Bulls logo upside down. Look at that, right? Even here on the red, it's like the head of the robot, the arms of the robot, and then here's like someone's butt, I guess, right? And then the legs are open like that. So it just looks like the robot's banging someone. I thought that was freaking hilarious when they told me that. Now I cannot look at the Chicago uterus. Yeah. Dude, since someone told me that, I just can't stop looking at this logo like that. It's just insane, bro. It's just completely ruined the Chicago Bulls logo for me. For life, I guess. Dude, that's insane. Anyways, bullish divergence still here, right? We're still moving down slightly. Yay for Link. I'm moving down still a little bit more. 7322629, right? So still have it to there. I had the bearish divergence here. We did pull back down a little bit more, right? We were looking for it here. Yesterday when we were live, remember, around midnight, and then look at that, right? We extend to here. We still managed to like go down, right? We were calling it. Maybe on the half hour we created it, but it's one of those things that because we called it and we had it, we no longer have it because it played. So I'm betting the half hour might have that. So we're gonna look at the time frame just to confirm, right? Oh, the half hour also pulled back down. Wow, weird. I rarely look at the half hour, but you know, we're looking for that bearish divergence. Actually, that's we had it here, right? Here we said, look, we also have it here, but look at that, right? Beautiful to there, and then from here to here, and then from here to here, right? So bearish divergence, price action to the downside. We moved down on that. Try to rally, right? We fell at the 20, so we moved to lower areas of value, and on that move that we expect to have after we reject the 20, we've half found our bullish divergence, so we're starting to create it. If this manages to maintain itself below the 0.07322 MACD area, we would have that strong bullish divergence, and we could be looking for another retest of that 20. That's what I'll be looking for here. Yeah, you said that Chicago Bulls logo looks like a uterus. I never seen it at it like a. I never looked at it like a uterus. I just like looked at it as a bull, and then lately as a robot banging something. This is weird. I think if I ever had a team, I would use the inverse Chicago Bulls logo. And then if someone give me shit, I'll just say, look, it's a bull upside down. But we know it's a robot banging something, right? That would be the team mascot. That would be so insane. You think it might have been another logo? Yeah, maybe, bro. So that's it for Link. What are we going to look at? Omise Go? I think we got requested Omise Go yesterday, so we'll check out Omise Go as well. Why not? Omise Go! Let's go to the daily first. Hidden bullish. We moved up. Hit that 50%, right? Yay! We moved down and you know, try to break above it where we failed, and now we're breaking below that. So you got $3.66. We have the hidden bullish again. See how it's going to play out. Rejecting the 50% at $3.89. Right now we could be moving for a potential target of the 3.29. Although we seem to have found some support around here. Right, even here, right? So at 340 we could have some support there. So let's go to the 4-hour chart. The 4-hour, right? High to low. And then low to high, right? We're looking for divergence there. Look at that. Even from here to here, I think we have it. So 564, 572, slightly higher. So we'll go there. And then, you know, we were anchoring here yesterday. But, you know, we had that drop. And then we can go there now, right, today. So bearish divergence, action to downside, moving down. Losing the 20 on the 4-hour chart, which is not the best, right? That's going to become a potential resistance now. Sitting at neutral at 45.46. So let's go to the 1-hour chart to figure out what's happening there, man. We had bearish divergence. We moved down, hit that 20 beautifully, take a bounce. Awesome. On that move, we created some hidden bullish from there to there. Let's just confirm that we have there. Yeah, there we go, dude. 49.36, 49.47, slightly higher. We're gonna call there, but again, from here to here again, right? One more time. One more time. We gotta celebrate. 7.09, 69.32. Bearish divergence, right? Strong bearish divergence against the MACD, against the RSI. Action to downside, we broke down. Tried to rally, failed. We lost a 20. Tested. reject it and move farther down. Lower, lower, low, negative, more negative, low on their side, lower on their side. We don't have anything bullish on the 1 hour. OMG. OMG, dude. Sitting sold at 39.34. Yo. Hidden bullish, maybe we can call. We can try to call hidden bullish from in here. All right. Again, I'm not sure how that's going to play out very strongly, but we could say we have that going slightly higher here and then coming lower here. I had to trim the beard today, man. I had like my beard that was growing nicely, but you know, using like a freaking like mask, it just makes so much condensation that my beard used to itch, and I just had to like trim it because it was getting insanely annoying. So I had like went today and like really trimmed the beard nicely, and now it looks good. I'm a pro. Dude, why do people get crypto tattoos on their bodies? I don't get it, man. I don't think... Like, I seen Crypto Bitlord. He has, like, a lot of crypto tattoos on his body. And then I saw some other guy, like Ken Bozak. I think he had a lot of crypto tattoos. And I think he got one done today. He popped up on my Twitter feed. He actually has a crypto or a crypto QR code on his arm. What happens if QR codes become obsolete? His tattoo is no longer going to make sense, bro. Right? It's one of those things that is like... Really, man? Do you want to tattoo a QR code in your body? I guess it's cool for transactions, right? It's like, you want money? Scan my arm. Like, I want money. Scan my arm and send me some Bitcoin. But overall, I'm not sure if I would ever tattoo myself something like that. I don't think I could... If I ever get a tattoo, I think it would have to be something that makes sense to me, right? I wouldn't do it for something crypto-related. Because it could, like, imagine, like, 10 years. Let's say, I'm not Bitcoin, but let's say one of your projects becomes obsolete. You're going to have a tattoo for life that, you know, now you have to either cover up or do something else, right? I was fucking around today. Fudging around today. Someone went in today and on Twitter said, the Moon said, the only gap Bitcoin is to really feel right now is the one above 20,000. I said, wrong, bro. The only gap Bitcoin should be feeling is the one in my wallet. And then I said, request the highest of fives. And someone came back and gave me a high five. So yeah, that's awesome. He got a CoinFlip ATM tat today, Superman style. CoinFlip paid him to. How much did they pay him? Yeah, I saw that tattoo, man. That was actually what I was gonna look for on my crypto feed. I think I hit liked on that or something. Should be in my profile. Sorry, by the way. So maybe I didn't hit like. Maybe I did. I don't think I hit like on that. I liked on this video. That was hilarious, dude. Those little ducks. I feel bad for them because they fell, but you know, they would have to pay me a shitload of money for me to get a tattoo. Because then you have to like show it off, right? And I'm not sure if I want to be like on the stream, like showing like bare chest. You know, I know he got in the dead center of his chest. I'm not even sure how much that hurt. You know, you have your like sternum, your manubrium, and everything, all the body here, your rib cage, connecting there, and your xiphoid process and everything in your like upper torso. So like getting that tattoo must be insane. It's double N. Right, that's why I'm not getting it. There we go. Yeah, that's a picture, dude, right? Look at that. I bled Bitcoin. CoinFlip ATM. Look at that. CoinFlip, right? Why? I wouldn't do that, man. I didn't even like the way a tattoo looks, bro. That just looks like painful, and I don't think it looks like. Nah, I don't dig it, man. I mean, it's cool they paid for it, but I don't dig that, bro. And then you know, I think on this one, right, in this picture, you can see that he has the ATM, like the QR code here. I'm not even sure if that QR code works, but that would be dope. I mean, saying like, yeah, you scanned me, right? Like, you want something to scan my arm. That's weird, dude. Thanks for subscribing. And dots. Oh, dude, we awesomely got 240 subs. And dots, you have become Your 240th subscriber. Andrew, how's it going, bro? Can look at YFB? Yeah, dude, we can look at YFB. Posted on Discord where he said they paid him also. Yeah, that's awesome, bro. I mean, getting paid to like get that too, that's pretty legit. Yes, dude, we've made it. 240. Strong. So good, man. It just says 249. It still hasn't updated, I guess. But yeah, I just got this little thing that says, thanks for subscribing and ... So thanks for subscribing, bro. And making the channel grow a little bit more. And being a little bit more awesome for everyone. Again, thank you for being here. Woohoo! Yeah, dude, bro, you became a good subscriber number. Can I look at YFB? Dude, yeah, we can look at YFB, dude. PogChamp. Yeah, dude, PogChamp. I'm not sure what PogChamp is, but you got 240, man. Yay. YFB, yeah, let's look at YFB, dude. Nim. Right, we're getting requests now. Awesome. You guys are becoming alive. And I like that. Let's write YFB. And then Nim. Sure, YFB, dude. Do you, like, I think I'm just gonna look at YFB against the dollar, right? Because you can give me a pair, so, and I got NIM, so let's look first for YFB. I think we've looked at that before. YFB, no, Wi-Fi. YFV, here we go. Poggers. So lost on Poggers, dude. You glad you sold sushi? I want to become a sushi chef. Right, I want to sell sushi on the streets. We'll look at sushi also. Just out of curiosity. YFB, what's going on with YFB, man? To Tether on OKEX. Let's go to daily. I think we call stuff. We didn't have anything on the daily, right? We said we don't know if we're making all-time lows, blah, blah, blah. We're moving lower. Yeah, we still haven't made a valid retrace. So again, now that we can go on here, making all-time lows to this chart, right? You know, we have a week lower, but it's the lowest closing we've gotten so far. And even volume, really, I'm not getting anything with volume, right? Let's just go to the 4-hour. We're starting to get data on the 4-hour, but again, not data rich. So, low. Right, here we have a low. Here we have a slightly lower low. Again, I just want to be very careful here because we don't have a lot of data, right? Low, slightly lower low. Let's anchor this in the 4-hour. Yo, 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 man. 240 subs. So awesome, dude. Right, we have that that strong bullish action to the upside. We just rose, hit that 20, and started to come back down again, even lower than the previous low. So even from here to here, right? We're going lower still. And we're coming in like that, right? So some strong bullish divergence. Price action to the upside, maybe. That's what we would be expecting, but a potential retest of the 20. We fell at the 21, 2, 3 times, right? So again, not looking the best right now on the bullishness. So let's go to the 1-hour. Right, high, lower, high, positive, less positive. Nothing there. That really helps us sort this out. Now, here to here, we're coming in lower, right? And I'm not sure when that happened, but I'm pretty sure we looked at this project before. Sometimes, for some reason, like, this stuff doesn't want to save my data. We're from here to here. Right, bullish divergence, action to the upside, strong. We got that move, high, lower, high, positive, less positive, right? Previous positive momentum's up here. So high, lower high, we create some hidden bearish. That's probably why we broke down here from there to there, and then from here to here, and then here to here also, right? Again, I'll pinpoint that one in a second. There we go. There we go. Right on. So on that move, we're moving lower, and that's great. We're coming lower, and finally starting to create some strong bullish divergence here. Mainly in this part here, right? So from in here, that's what I'm interested in, the short term, right? There we go. Again, so long as we stay on that divergence, right? Below this area or below this area, right? Even because this is all one island, right? We could be going there. We could be going there for like no problem, right? So low, lower, low, negative, less negative, strong bullish divergence, action to the upside. We got the rally, hit the 20 and rejected. So we move farther down, right? Again, that's what we expect to do when we hit the 20. We're moving lower. And again, right now, we're still creating that strong bullish divergence. Do we have it against the RSI? No, just against the MACD. So potential for action to the upside, maybe hitting that 20. That's what would be likely in store for YFB. Yeah. Right on. That's YFB. Let's go to Nim. Nim. Look, we even have Nim and then Sushi right after. Wow. That's good. This is Nim against Dollar. But I think Chobi just likes to look at Nim against something else, I think, right? I'm not sure if we looked at Nim against Bitcoin or something like that. I can't remember. No, we probably looked at against the dollar because that's the last thing I have, and it happened a couple days ago. Maybe. I don't find it against the dollar, Bitcoin open here, so they're coming in lower, right? Again, you know, one of those things I said, we're starting to build this island. We can go on building it. Look at that. We have that strong bullish divergence still. Looks like we're making our first positive candle here after that move, and let's wait and see how that plays out. We no longer have it against the RSI. Sitting sold at 33.28. Again, bullish divergence, strong potential action to the upside. NIM to Bitcoin and KuCoin. I think we looked at that one. Yeah, for sure, man. NIM BTC. Oh, KuCoin. Yeah, you're correct. We've looked at that. It's just somewhere else. There we go. We're calling for that bullish divergence. Yay. We still have it. Not against the MACD, right? Not against the RSI, sorry. Just against the MACD. Price action to the upside, potentially. We're stalling at this area. Starting to make a new lower low. And again, our anchoring point is just becoming that new low. On that note, let's go to the 4-hour. We're looking for something here that would be bullish. I'm not sure if we still have it farther down the road. 42, 46, right? Slightly more. So we did get the move here, rejected 20, move farther down. Now on this move farther down, just short term right now, here to here, right? From here to here. We are starting to create that strong bullish divergence that could potentially bring price action to the upside, so. Very right, sir. Lord. There we go. Bullish divergence, right? Potential for price action to the upside. Then we go from here to here. Right. Strong bullish divergence. Look, we just took a bounce. Yay. But again, waiting for this to develop, right? If this manages to close down, we have that bullish divergence. If not, you know, we're going to lose it. We're going to take a bounce on that. On that note, let's go to the 1 hour and figure out what's going on there. Anyways, this project's sitting at 3,114 sats, I think. Let's see. Sorry, man. Oh, snap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So like 30 sats, I guess. 300 sats, maybe. That's way too many numbers. Way more than I would like to see for sats. I think so. Give me 1 quick second. Right, so it should be like, yeah, I'm right. That's way too many numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 31 sats, 31.09 sats. Again, I'm not sure why it has so many freaking low numbers here, like fractions of sats, right? It's like a 3,000 sats, dude. No, dude. Like sats go to 8 positions, right? Or 9 positions? Am I off here on my set count? 1 Satoshi. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 positions, dude. This has like more than 8 positions. Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, right? Dude, 32 would be like the 8th position. And it has way more positions than 8. So I think either I'm off here or something, or right? No, dude, I'm talking about sats. Yeah, it's 8 positions, dude. So I was looking at this as like turbing me because it was like way too many numbers. So 31 sets. That's where this is sitting at. 31.13 sats. We'll leave it there. I was like weirded out because it was way too many numbers. I was like, what the hell? Let's go to the 1 hour. Right, we had the bullish divergence. Price action to down upside. We had the bearish divergence to this one. So there we go. No, price action to the upside, right, on the strong bullish. And I think we called that one out yesterday. I think we were here live, right? Here live, this time frame from 10 until midnight or so. We did manage to rally a little bit more and then try to maintain this area, right? It just looks sideways motion here. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, and then we're making lower highs every time and less positive and less highs on there. So really not a lot going on here. Right, low, lower, low, negative. Sorry, low on the other side, lower on the other side. Really, it's not doing anything on the short time scale in the 1 hour, right? We got the impulse up on the bullishness. It's great. We ran it a little bit more. Rejected 20, moving down. Rejected 20, moving down. Looks like we're rejecting the 20, and if we fell at the 20, we're probably gonna move lower still, right? That's the only thing I'm getting from here. Because on the chart, there's nothing, right? High, lower, high. Look at that, right? High, high there side, and then lower on the other side every time. It's becoming lower. So yeah, that's about it here, dude. You bought some NIM today. Awesome. Hope you guys do good in NIM. We haven't looked at this on. So, dude, just to be clear, I'm gonna go look at this against the dollar and see how that's doing. Because why not, right? 0.003 cents. That's where it's at. Like 0.3 cents actually. Again, bullish divergence, potential action to the upside. That we got that sitting neutral. Sorry, sold at 33.22 on the other side. So let's go to the 4 hours. See what we got there. Again, looking much better against the dollar, right? Look at that, right? Boom, boom. Bullish divergence. Right. Potential for price action to the upside. We're still moving sideways here, though. Failing to take off. Not good indicator. We don't want to fail to take off after bullish divergence. We could be stalling, but you know, if we fail to take off, not gonna be the best. 311. 278, high, lower, high, less positive momentum, lower on the other side. Now, I don't believe we have anything from here to here. I'll just check, double check real quick. 31.48, 31.54, slightly higher also. So from there to there, some strong bullish divergence, right? Price action to the upside, but we're really not taking off, like I said. Rejecting 20, moving lower. I forgot to, yeah, it's on the 4. Oh yeah, it's on the 4 hour. So let's go to the 1 hour chart. And here's where it gets messy on that other chart as well, right? So, coming in lower. Right, so look, from here to here, right? Some strong bullish divergence. I'm just going to look for whatever I can find right now real quick here. Here, from here to here, right? Or actually even from here to here. That would be the movement I'm looking at. From here to here. Strong bullish. And then from here to here, also strong bullish, right? So from there to there and here to here. Potential for price action to the upside. So we got the rally, failed, and then moved lower, right? There, we're great. We're golden. We are golden. We create some hidden bearish, right, on that move there. From there to there, and then from here to here. And then from here to here, right? So that's what moved us down. That hidden bearish, right? Stalled us, moved down. Strong bullish, trying to get to a 20, failing. Failing at the 20, and we're moving lower. That's what we expect to do when we reject the 20. But on that move, right, even from here, right, low, lower low, right? Going from negative momentum to less negative momentum, and then we're coming from a low point on the other side to a higher point. We're creating some strong bullish divergence, potential for action to the upside, but we're failing at a 20 again. Oh no, what are we gonna do, right? The bullish divergence doesn't seem to be playing strong. 49.75, 49.95. Here we had some hidden bearish, right? So from there to there. Then from here, going slightly higher. So I'm just going to pronounce it a little bit more so we know what we have. And then we're moving down on that, taking a bounce, trying to go higher but failing, rejecting the 20 right now again. Dude, I'm not sure I hope this project takes off for y'all, but right now I'm just like, you know, trying to figure out where this wants to go. I'm not getting any clear picture, dude, because bullishness is failing to take off, and the bearishness just seems to be driving it lower still. That's the name. Let's go check out sushi. Oh my god, did people eat bat sushi again today? go to daily, man. So we call the local low. We're trying to get a bounce. We're trying to determine whether or not this is going to be the local low. We haven't made a valid retrace yet. Moving lower and lower still today. Yesterday managed to lose what we gained the prior day. So we gained 21%. We're losing 17% right now, going down 7.01%. So we gained 0.50 cents, and then we're going down 0.49 cents. So 0.50 cents. We were going down by the same number. Sitting at $2.21. Nothing on the RSI, nothing on the MACD. Let's go to the 4 hour. I'm starting to build stuff here. Not a lot to go on. Bearish divergence. Action to downside. We managed to rally a little bit more. We moved down. Managed to rally slightly higher. I would say it's lower. No. High to low. And then coming here to here. So, yep. From here to here, we're coming in slightly lower. And then we're going slightly higher still. So, from here to here. So, again, hidden bearish. Action to downside, right? That's what we're getting here on this project. On sushi. Y'all sushi eaters. Sorry, I just sent it to the 1 hour. This should be on the 4 hour. Let me undo that. Cancel. And then bring that one back and send it to the 4. I anchored the wrong way. I anchored the wrong way, man. Right on, man. Anyways. We also have it here. Finally, something against... we can chart from here, right? From here. Doesn't matter. We know we're going from there. So, there. Right. Bearish divergence. Action downside. So that note, let's go to the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, we had bearish divergence, right? We call that one out. Hidden bearish, action to the downside, we move down. Now on that move, low, lower, low, more negative, into less, much less. So again, bullish, nothing bullish here. Sorry, and then we're coming in lower, and we're creating something bullish here. Right. So from here to here. From here to here. All right, we don't have it against the RSI, just against the MACD. So we got the rally. Right, and on that rally, which was so glorious, we developed bearish divergence, right? Look at that, right? Boom. Hardcore, bro. Look at that. Boom, boom, boom. Right all over the place. Bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. Haha, so funny. Dude, bearish divergence moved us down. That's what happened. So with that move, we are moving lower still. But created some hidden bullish here. Right? From here. From here. Right, hidden bullish. And we're getting that small semi-rally coming in. Right. There we go. Sushi just falling all day. Yeah. But don't be alarmed, dude. Look at that. That's good. Right now we're starting to create some strong bullish from here to here, right? Did I anchor this to the 1 hour, or did I just completely botch it? No, it's in the 1 hour. And from there to there, right? And then from here to here, also going higher, right? So we're developing some strong bullish divergence, some potential for price action to the upside. So keep that in mind, right? It's not necessarily all bad here on sushi. They said true value is around 34 cents. I'm not sure. It doesn't have a lot of data, so I don't know what the true value for this is. Again, those DeFi projects, gotta be careful with them, right? That's where like people are gonna try to be taking advantage right now. It's like the old ICO West, right? People came during the ICO boom and started doing their weird stuff. You know, that's what's happening right now. Seven people watching, 7 freaking likes. That's so cool, man. It's so cool, man. Dude, I'm not sure what the real value of this is, man. Yeah, it's hard to gauge because I'm not sure how much it pumped prior to listing, but it came on an opening at $6. It did go to $16 and it's sitting at $2 right now. So if you bought up here, right at $16, you're worth right now approximately, you've lost 86% of your value, right? To the all-time low it made here at $1.48, you're probably losing over 90% of your value, so. 91% of your value, so I feel bad for the people that bought at 16 bucks, dude, and they've just been taking a massive, massive hit here. It's just kind of weird to see this project. You stay away from basically everything that doesn't have its own blockchain. Yeah. I think that's a smart thing to do, right? I got a massive burn on that other coin, remember? On RSR. I'm still taking a massive fucking hit. I'm waiting to see if it's going to recover. I don't mind that project going very low, though. It was money that I had spare. It's $100. I mean, I don't think anyone has money to spare, right? But I mean, it's not something that's keeping me up at night. So, could it have gone something else? Like DVT, probably. Could you have gone something else like Bitcoin? Probably. But you know, yeah, like you gotta diversify, and sometimes you get those hits. Again, I had plenty of times to get out, and I didn't because I was dumb enough not to listen to myself and talk myself into believing it was gonna take a bounce. Bad execution on RSR, bro. You know, we all make mistakes. Just the market comes and corrects us, right? And a lot of traders are not gonna tell you when they fuck up, right? When they screw up. They're all just gonna come and tell you how great they are and how they never take hits. We all take hits, right? Even the best trader in the world take hits. You just gotta learn to roll with the punches and recover, right? Don't let it get into your head, and learn from them and correct yourself, right? Next time I'm gonna listen to myself. I'm not gonna care what the fucking project does, right? Again, I'm still losing about half of my value on this project. At some point, I could have gotten out at 42%. Right now, I'll be going out at 47%. Since I got in with $100, I'll be going out with 47. I'll be losing $47.23 here. All right. Anyways, Jake saying the only thing I see that we have being built on top of chains are NFTs, like Splinterland cards and other game aspects. Yeah, I mean, yeah, non-fungible tokens do work, I guess. Have anyone played Splinterlands? Is it like Magic the Gathering, but for like crypto people? I think that's the way it works, right? I heard like one of the cards there was worth like $2,000, or someone got a card worth $2,000 a while back. I don't know if I think it was Gods Unchained or whatever that other crypto card game out there is. I don't like playing card games that much though. TGCs, right? Trading card games. So for me, that's very weird. Started playing last week. It's kind of cool. How much did you spend on this project, dude? Did you get like a free pack or something, or like do you actually have to buy everything? Because I really don't want to spend money on a game, dude. Right? I hate buying in-game cards or in-game stuff. Right? I hate that. So for me, it's either free to play, or you know, I'm probably not gonna buy into it. Because in the end, like if you're just buying packs and packs and packs all the time, so you can have a cool deck. You know, waste so much money, bro. It's just insane, right? And if you don't get a good card where you can sell it and make up all that loss, for me, it's a no-go, bro. I used to play Magic the Gathering when I was in university. I spent so much dough on that. Had really good cards when I sold it. But still, in the end, I ended up like not recovering my investment on Magic the Gathering. And I used to play, dude. So since then, I said, no way I'm going to play anything of this. I got into MTGO, Magic the Gathering Online, the old one, the old school one. And it was fine, right? I had it on my old PC. I used to run there. I had some cards. I spent some dough. And I said, dude, this is not even going to give me money because I can't even sell them, right? I could probably sell them on the marketplace. That was about it. Hive Engine exchange for like 70 cents for each 5 card pack. See, dude, that's what I don't want to do. I don't want to pay $10 to create an account. And then not even... Did you get some cards when you create an account? Because in Magic the Gathering, if you buy like a starter set, you're at least getting 60 cards or something, or a pre-built deck with the money you're getting in. If you're just paying $10 to sit at the table, oh, no way, bro. I think I'm going to stick away from crypto games. I don't want to pay to be able to play a trading card game where I'm going to have to spend money. No cards to start with, just to create the account. I'm not there, dude. I'm out of it. No way. I'm not going to do it. Again, I don't have anything against it. I'm just not going to be, you know, paying money to be able to sit down and play a card that I'm not getting anything with, right? So I want to get at least something when I start. Hell's no, bro. Like, dude, even Stoneheart, right, from Wizards of the Coast, that you know, what is that? Warcraft trading card game gives you some free cards when you start, right? You don't have to buy packs. You get free packs every over time, right? So you can like even add on cards for free. You might not get the best cards, right? You still get stuff to build your deck. So Each game you win, you get DEC, Dark Energy Crystals, a token on Hive. What do you do with those tokens, dude? Can you buy more cards? Can you do, like... I'm not sure, dude. Again. I'm stingy when it comes to spending on stuff I'm not sure I'm going to play long term. And to pay $10 to try it, I think I'm going to pass, bro, for sure. I mean, I like the project. I like there's games that are being built on top of blockchain or crypto. But I'm really not going to get into it very likely, man. Yeah. I think I'm going to do a hard pass on that, bro. What are the cards that you have worth? Like, are they worth more than 75 cents if you combine them? Have you gotten, like, any rare or special cards that you can sell for, like, $3-4 or something like that? Because, like, also, like, the whole thing about TGCs is, like, it's an investment, right? You get one of those, like, mythical, legendary cards. You can sell for a lot of money, dude. So, you know, that's why usually you, like, hunt to collect cards, right? Yo. You have one that's 50 cents, but most under 10 cents. See? So if you buy a 75-cent pack, you get 10 cents. You're just getting 50 cents worth of cards. Yeah, dude, yeah, I think I'm gonna pass, bro. I mean, it sounds cool and all, but I think I'm way over that, and I have other stuff that I'd much rather spend that money in, dude. Good luck, bro, for sure, man. I mean, you can probably stream a game of that, right? It would be cool, but I'm gonna take a hard pass. Still moving down, right? Look at this project, man. I think we're losing whatever kind of divergence I was looking for. At least from here, right? Here, short-term divergence, right? We changed hours, I think. No, we haven't changed hours. We're just taking a massive dump here. We're gonna see if we get pullback and see where we're at by the time we get pullback. But I do believe we might be losing whatever we're calling here on RSR, or whatever I was hunting for here on RSR. And now we'll just be going from here to here, right? So just that massive, again, not this one. Just be going from down here, right? To there. I think that's what I'm gonna look at right now. That hidden bullish. You can rent your cards out too and keep ownership while others play with your cards. That makes it a little more interesting. How much do you get paid for renting your cards, bro? Y'all want to look at any other projects here on the State of Crypto? Let me know, guys, for sure, man. If y'all want to look at different projects, let me know, and we'll definitely check it out, right? All right, cool. So you just got, like, common stuff, right? You haven't gotten anything exciting then. Yeah, no worries, bro. I'm still live, so, you know, we've been live for about 2 hours almost now. But I don't mind because it's early, right? We've been live for an hour and 51 minutes. If you always want to look at something, let me know, right? Otherwise, we're just shooting the shit, dude. That's what we're doing, chit-chatting. Kicking ass and taking names. That's the name of the game. Alright. Then again, this we will also have here against the RSI, right? Right here. Is Bitcoin still going down? Yeah. A little bit, right? 1.16%. Yay, Bitcoin. You have some rares in one gold, but non-legendaries. Right. That sucks, bro. We're looking for some bullish divergence from Bitcoin. We no longer have it. Ta-da. You know, good thing that we circled back and looked at this. Haha. Alright, failing support at 10,243. Not bueno. Hi. Not good, man. Right. Look at Ethereum probably getting rid of that same stuff, right? Look at that, man. Fuck. We lost it. We lost it. We lost it. XRP, same stuff, right? Boom. Boom. Not looking good right now. Because we don't have anything bullish, right? Not necessarily bad, but we just don't have anything bullish to look at. Look at that. Boom. Same moves, right? Everyone's losing that divergence that they had. They're all losing the edge, man. Check out Bitcoin again. Let's go to the 4 hours. See if there's anything. Yeah, look, sitting near support, right? Again, about 10, 13, 15 bucks away. Trying to find support at the 20, right? That's where we're at. Hitting that 20 at the, that's at 10,232. We're still slightly below it. Like $4 below it. But, you know, it's fucking weird that we can't hold support. This is weird. It tells me I have 8 concurrent viewers, but then only 6 concurrent viewers. This is weird, dude. This is like something off, right? Yeah, it says 7 here. It says 8 here. It's weird. It's awkward. Awkward it is. Now it's at 6. Wow. It's just freaking weird. Anyways, it's just bouncing back and forth. Yo, yo, yo. If you guys like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub, right? Be awesome followers of the channel. Subscribe. If you're new to the channel, sub. We're really cool. You're gonna like it here. Guaranteed. If not, you can get your money back, but it's free to subscribe, so you can get free money back. Right? It's just free to get out. Unsubscribe. Yeah, that. What else are we gonna look at, guys? Come on, come on. Give me a ticker. Give me a coin. We'll look at it for sure, man. For sure, man. We didn't look at oil today. We did get very minor recovery. Right? Oil on the daily. Look at that. Moving down. Oh no, we had the hidden bullish. We did manage to pull back up a little bit. There, there, and there. Yay. Starting to pull back up a little bit, but not a lot. $40.21 on Brent oil. There's another chart for Brent oil. Again, we pull back up a little bit. That's fine. There, there, and there. Again, $39.88 in West Texas. Again, sitting at $37.02. Again, we pull back up a little bit. Sit there again. Yay, we're good, right? That's it for oil. Again, not doing a lot. Expansion to the downside after being tight on the Bollinger Bands for the longest time ever, dude. Just freaking the largest sideways motion I've seen on this oil chart, at least that I've seen, right? It probably has this before, but we moved for 49 bars, so 49 days of just like doing nothing but sideways, right? Like in very, very tiny moves. It's so annoying, dude, to see that. Because you're hunting for a move, and we were seeing this, and we were like, we're probably going to break to the downside. I can say we're probably going to break to the downside. Not because of divergence, we're just failing to take off, right? We're just like stalling for the longest time. So it gets exhausting, right? You can only buy so many times here, or sell a lot here, right? There's probably a lot of selling pressure. It's just freaking red, dude. My watch list is red. Almost everything on my watch list is just freaking bleeding, dude. SAP is going up 18%. I'm not sure if someone requested SAP or not. Someone requested SAP once. But we don't have anything here. So it's probably one of those things that, you know, I'm not sure why it's deleted or not there, but, you know. Hidden bullish. First things, right? Hidden bullish. Price action to the upside. Have it against the RSI as well. Getting that rally happening. Yesterday went up 9%. Today went up 18%. Very, very good combined gains on this here project. There we go, right? Look at that. 30%, right? Combined almost. So not too shabby. Not too shabby, dude. Let's go to the 4 hours, see what's going on there. Oh, why did we break down? Right, sorry, I didn't call that one. We're going from here to here. Right, and bearish divergence. Bearish divergence. All this wants to go on the 1 hour. Fuck. FML, right? Go from here. Bearish divergence. Price action to the downside. Let's go to the 4 hour. On the 4 hour, man. Moving lower, right? Every time I'm coming lower, look at that. Boom, boom. Strong bullish. Boom, boom. Do that, right? Boom, bam, blam. I just feel like a comic book character now. So bearish divergence there, and then from here to here, right? Here we go. Look at the bearish divergence that we have here, right? Ain't it beautiful? We just have it on the last part against the RSI, right? So again, we have it on 2 of the indicators, not just 1. We got a rally, rejected 20, move lower, rejected 20, move lower, and then we get that bullish divergence to pump us to the upside, right? And we get that very nice movement up. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, right? So positive, less positive, high, lower, high, right? So all things good here. Let's go to the 1 hour. What's going on here on the 1 hour chart? Going higher, more positive, higher on the other side. That's great. Now we do have some bearishness here, right? Some hidden bearish. It's from there to there, and then from here. Look at that. Look at the nastiness here, man. Hidden bearish. Overbought at 82.82. So we're definitely going to have to cool off a little bit. We don't have anything short term, right? Here to here, we seem to have created some bearish divergence. So from here to here, it's very, very small bearish divergence. And then from here to here, right? And here to here against the RSI as well. Sorry, the MACD as well. There we go. From here to here, we created some strong bullish divergence, right? So from here to here, all the way there. We're going from, we like doing it in 2 parts. From here to here, we did first. Right? And then from here to here. And here to here. There we go. Right, and then we also have it here, right? First against the MACD, sorry, against the RSI also, and then from here also. No. Right, there we go. Price action to the upside. We got the rally, bearish divergence, broke us down, hit the 20, hold on to 20, hit that support, and then blast off, right? And we're creating bearish divergence. That could potentially move us down just against the RSI, not against the MACD though, right? I'm not sure who's still watching, but if you're still watching, thank you for being here. I appreciate y'all. If you like what we do, hit that like that button, that sub. We gained 2 subs. Yay, 241, bros. Thank you for subscribing to this channel. We managed to pass the mighty 240. Now we're heading to 250. Isn't that great? Little by little, we're inching at 250. And then after that, we'll go for 500. And after that, we'll go for like 1,000. I really wish I had 1,000 subs, dude. That would be so much better or cooler for this, right? Y'all, so I'm not sure if y'all are going to request something or not, but, you know, I've been hunting for requests, so if y'all want me to look at something, let me know on the chat. Otherwise, I want to call it a stream. Again, this is a pretty cool channel. I don't make fun of you if you request any project. It's the cool stuff, right? You can request for free. And then we look at it, and we treat it the same way we treat any other crypto project out there. Ain't that amazing? No discrimination on this channel. Anyways, bros, I've been live for 2 hours now and 1 minute. And there's no requests coming up, so... Chovy! Save the day with Lend to Bitcoin. Yeah, we'll check out Lend. Why not? Peace, Lemon Huddle. Yeah, I'm not gonna sign off yet, dude. We got a request, so I'm gonna check that one out. But thank you, Jake, for being here, man. You're amazing, dude. You're really a really awesome supporter of this channel, dude. I'm very, very grateful for your support and all the help that you brought to this channel, man. For reals. Onto Bitcoin. Then we looked at that recently, right? Lend to Bitcoin. Here it is. On the daily-o. Had the bullishness, moving up, that's fine. Again, very nice gains against Bitcoin right now, moving down, maybe heading to that 20. Nothing bearish that I can see here on the daily. Again, last thing we have is the bullishness, so we'll go with that. Let's go to the 4 hour. Had the bullish divergence on the 4 hour on September the 5th. I don't think we looked at that on September the 5th, but you know, we've been rallying since then. Moved down, hit the 20, managed to hold support, got back above it, and really took off from there. Now, high, positive, more positive, high on the RSI, higher on the RSI. All things great here. High, lower, high, positive, less positive, high, lower, high. So all things are good here, right? I'm not looking at anything bearish here. So nothing to worry about on the 4 hour. Let's go to the 1 hour chart. You do what you can for crypto. That's, dude, for reals. I'm very, very grateful for what you do for this channel, bro. Like, legit, like grateful, dude. Anyways, last time we looked at this project, right? Bearish divergence. Action to downside. We moved down. Was that yesterday? Yeah, September the 9th, right? We were live here at 10 p.m., maybe midnight even. We looked at it, so we broke down. Below 20, tried to rally. Failed to go higher, right? So we broke down again. Failed to go higher still, and we're moving down. So again, not the prettiest looking, but at least we're making some strong bullish divergence from here to here. Right, nothing bearish after that bearish divergence, that strong bearish, but now we're having this strong bullish here against the MACD, but not against the RSI, right? But if you want to take this in 2 parts, which you could go to here first, and that's higher, so we wouldn't have it, right? So I lied for a second. You would have it against you would have something against the MACD, right? So if you go there, this will go there. Then you would go from here to here, right? You would be creating some hidden bullish against the RSI, right? You're diverging one from the next, and then here you still came lower, going lower. You wouldn't have anything against the RSI, but against the MACD, you would have some strong bullish starting to develop. That could potentially bring price action to the upside. Maybe a retest of that 20. See if we manage to go higher. If not, we're definitely gonna break down again, right? That's usually how this works. On retest of the 20. 7 people tuned in. Thank you all for watching. If you like what we do, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, that sub. And if it's the first time you're visiting this channel, subscribe, because fucking amazing, dude. That's why. Now we're a really cool channel. That's why you should subscribe. I'm a really cool person. The people that watch this show are extremely cool people. So you should subscribe. It's a good community. So that's land, Chovy, dude. That's what we have, right? We called the bearish yesterday. We moved down. We developed some kind of bullish again. Hidden bullish to get a rally. Failed to go higher. Moving lower on that. And starting to create some strong bullish, right? Again, probably a retest of the 20. Anyways, this project's sitting at, let's see, let's count the zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 64 sats, right? 64.55 sats. That's where it's at. And this rally here, right? Why that small rally happened there? It's from here to here, right? From here. Hidden bullish. Potential for action to the upside. I was looking at this, I was like worried that I didn't anchor properly. I was like, fuck, dude, I forget to anchor properly. Is shit gonna like be for reals that I gotta clear up or like redo a lot of the chart? And no, it's anchored properly, so I'm grateful for that. Yo. 8 people tuned in. 25 playbacks so far. Awesome, dude. Thank you for being here. If you like what we do, again, you know what to do. Hit that like, that bell, and that sub. Again, subscribe to the channel. Y'all want to look at something else, let me know. Again, it's free. It's dealer's choice. You guys are the dealer. I just basically check out whatever you guys tell me to check out. Alright? So long as it's coins and stocks. And, yeah. Anything that's charted, we can look at. Right? Alright, so I guess there's nothing coming up on the chat. Thank y'all for watching, guys, today. For real, we've been live for 2 hours and 7 minutes now. Again, I don't have anything against time, but there's no requests coming up. So, and we've gone through everything that we usually do on this show. So thank y'all for watching. Thank y'all for tuning in to The State of Crypto, your home for crypto news and technical analysis. Again, I'm your host, Martin. A pleasure being here with you guys tonight on this awesome Thursday night. I thank y'all for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Again, I'll catch you tomorrow for another edition of State of Crypto. So until then.